Namaste Bitia. I, JV and Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is DES. So what is DES and why we read about the DES function? So DES means Data Encryption Standard, which is a symmetric key block that is published by the NIST. That means National Institute of Standard and Technology. So basically DES is an implementation of Fistel cipher. What is the Fistel cycle and what is the structure of the Fistel cycle? So Fistel cycle structure is used for 16 round. The block size is 64. Although the key length is 64 bit, so DES is an effective key length of the 56 bit. Since 8 of the 64 bit of the key are not used by the encryption algorithm, that is used only for function as check bits only. General structure of DES is depicted in an illustration. That means 64 bit plan we used, in which initial permutation, first we use initial permutation, then round 1, round 2 to round 16, and after then the final permutation. Round 1 is a 48 bit, round 2 is also a 48 bit, round 3 is also a 48 bit, and so on. Round 1 to round 16 is also a 48 bit. So a round key generator is a 56 bit cipher. So that is all about the 64 bit plan. We can say that 64 bit plan text convert into initial permutation, initial to round 1, round 2, round 13 to round 16, after then the final permutation, and after final permutation, the plain text will be converted into a 64 bit cipher. Okay, now since DES is based on the Fistel cipher, all that is required to the specify DES, that is round function and the key schedule. Any additional processing used in the initial and the final permutation. What is initial and the final permutation? The initial and the final permutation are straight permutation boxes, like P boxes that are inverse of each other. So they have no cryptography significance in DES. The initial and the final permutation are as like 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2. Suppose we have a table in which 1 2 8 25 40 58 and the 64. Okay, so 1 is considered into a 14, 2 is considered into 8, and so on. So this is the initial permutation. There are 16 rounds: 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 8 16. So same process work for 1 to 16. So round function means the heart of the cipher in the DES function F. The function DES applies a 48 bit key to the rightmost 32 bit to produce a 32 bit output. Right? Clear? Suppose you have a function R write 1 to key expansion. Inputations, then expansion P box, in which we have 32 bits. Expansion P box to S boxes, we use XOR function, in which 48 bits keys are used. In S box to P box, we uses 32 bits, and S P box to output we also use 32 bits. So that is all about the expansion permutation box. So what is the definition of expansion permutation box? Since input is 32 bit and the round key is a 48 bit, we first need to expand right into input to 48 bit. So permutation logic is graphically depicted as an illustration. Suppose from bit 32 to 32 input from bit 1, like the graphically depicted permutation logic is generally described as a table in DES description, uh, which is given in your notes. So please check your notes for DES specification. 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on. This is the processing. XOR means whitener. Means after the expansion permutation, DES does XOR operation on the expected right section and on the round key. The round key is used only in this operation. Substitution boxes. The S box carry out the mean real mixing confusion. DES uses 8 S boxes, each with a 6 input and 4 bit output. So Xbox rule, what is Xbox rule? Xbox rules means bit 1 to bit 6 we use, and the number which is used in the table. So that is the bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, and the bit 4. So what is a straight permutation? That means there are total 8 X boxes. The output of 8 X boxes is then combined into 32 bit section. Now, what is straight permutation? The straight permutation means the 32-bit output of Xbox is then subjected to straight permutation with rule. Now, what is the key generation which we used again and again? What is key? The round key generator creates 1648-bit keys out of a 656-bit cipher. The process of key generation is depicted. Okay, so round is 1 2 9 16, and others maybe. What shift in one bit? 1 2 9 16 is shifted into one bit, and others is in 2 bits, right? So they are 16 round 1 to round 2, round 2 to and 16. So shift left, shift right. In shift left, there are 28 keys and the bits, and the left shift again they are 28. After then the compression of p box, then again data shift into the left shift and the right shift. Again 28 bits for the left and the 28 for the right. So again and again this process until work for the round 16. The logic for parity drop, shifting, and the compression p box is given in the DES description. DES, and what is the DES analysis? DE analysis means it satisfies both the desired property of the block cipher. There are two properties make cipher very strong. Avalanche effect, that means small changes in the plain text result in the very great changes in the ciphertext. Second, completeness, yani ki each bit of the ciphertext depend on many bits of the plain text. During the last few years, crypt analysis have found some weakness in DES. When keys are selected, weak keys, these keys shall be avoided. DES has proved to be a very well designed block cipher. There have been no significant cryptanalysis attack on DES other than executive keys. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we discuss about the SDES. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.